Hey, this is Tameron at Tameron Hyundai. Thank you so much for your inquiry on this 2020 Hyundai Palisade. As you can see, we have it in stock here. It's a very nice vehicle, but I promise they will not last long with that great internet special. It's Black Friday, so this is happening right now. Follow me, take a look at the inside of this vehicle. This vehicle is equipped with Bluetooth, backup camera, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Also have your different drive mode as well. Also have your blind spot monitoring. The list goes on with the features. This vehicle comes with 10-year, 100,000 miles powertrain warranty. Great news that Tameron Hyundai, we doubled it to get 20-year, 200,000 miles powertrain warranty, which I heard of. Give me a call at 205-586-4644. Let me know when you're ready. Coming out, take it for a test drive. And I promise once you get here at Tameron Hyundai, you can love where you treat it.